What's up, everybody? I am on my way up to Williams, Arizona to hit up the classic import car show tomorrow and to check out the town on Route 66 tonight. I didn't get a chance to wash the car before I left Tucson, so I have made a quick pit stop on my way into Phoenix. I'm in Chandler, just a few miles off I-10, and found myself a little car wash so I can get her sprayed down and cleaned up before I make the rest of the journey up to northern Arizona. So I'm going to get the car all cleaned up, and then we're going to make our journey the rest of the way up to Williams, Arizona. Here to a Williams and just got checked in to the office of the hotel just off of Historic Route 66 at the entrance of town, which is just about 1 mile down Historic Route 66 this direction. The wagon made the journey with absolutely no issues whatsoever. She's still looking good, still looks pretty clean. Won't have to do too much polishing on it when I get into the car show tomorrow. But I'm going to go and check out my room, and then I will be heading into town to check out all the little shops and restaurants and stuff here on Historic Route 66. Arcade thing. Contra, what? Pinball. Your little gift shop. Got all kinds of little trinkets and stuff. Bunch of Coca-Cola stuff here. Some signs. Monroe, my woman. First thing I've seen with her name on it. I'm gonna grab one of those for her. Get to spin this wheel for some kind of a prize since I bought some stuff here.
One is a sticky hand.
One, I get a sticky hand. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good evening. Definitely gonna have to get a picture of the car somewhere over here at some point. This little gas station museum. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna check it out. Pretty cool. Alright, I picked up my registration packet, you know, for the car show in the morning here at the little cafe diner place. I am going to keep walking the street and check out maybe a few more little gift shops, see if there's a few things that I can find to bring home, and find myself something to eat before heading back to the hotel. Clean stock 5th gen Prelude. I don't know how I feel about this thing, guys. Comment below on what you think. It's like a half-breed McQueen tow mater thing. Yeah, I don't know. Comment below.